Welcome to WINGSTOPS, everyone.
What y'all got? You guys got that new HOTBOX?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Anything else?
You get everything? Hold on. You get everything?
No, that's it.
Yeah, your first HOTBOX classic and second HOTBOX is
I say, what the hell?
Yeah.
Okay, your total is $25.22.
It's over.
Gang in here. We out here, man. They're probably tired of making that HOTBOX. They're like, oh, again.
Last day. I wonder how many people order from here.
All right, guys, let's see this HOTBOX. This is what's been trending on TikTok. No,
What is it?
this shit was trending though.
Yeah, you gotta open that. I'll record.
All right, y'all. Let's see what this is looking like. Y'all ready? Oh. Okay. What? Nah, fast record. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this for Jen.
Boy, come on. I got the ranch, you know, always gotta have the ranch. We got one more box coming out. What's this? What's this, boy? You see that smoke? You see that smoke? Damn.
You got sandwiches?
Is this my ranch? This third? Yeah. Oh. Alright. It's time to try the fries.
She's probably feels dumb.
The fries are hella good. Ooh, I gotta go back. More.
We weren't even late.
We're like right on time.
Wings.
Just like you said, it's 7 in the morning. The party started at 11, like 12. Right?
The wing is good. I ain't gonna lie. You want one?
Yeah.
Try one. Ain't gonna lie. Take that one. Yeah. Like one of the best ones.
Another sandwich.
Yeah, that sounds like that. What's that alien show?
We've seen a lot of them. Doing their own thing. And like that.
I'm surprised I got bone in, bro. Woo. You like it? Oh.
Huh. It's hot. It's hella good.
They almost started fighting. We were all like arranged to.
Oh no, they fought.
And Sam got into it. Not into it.
I think the fries is the best part.
She started talking to Sam. Like scratching him, hitting him.
Yeah, see?
And then I wouldn't be
Choking Sam.
But just because I seen her choking Sam. So I tried to
She had both her hands on her.
Yeah. She was choking your ass. You just had a smile on your face. Good.
A smile on your face. Yeah.
Alright, this shit him. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, this him with these punch.
This is like that.
I'm gonna lie here. I'm gonna have to go.
Are you? I ain't gonna lie.
You did it right, brother.
Yeah.
Too?
You did it right.
Yeah.
And I love how much seasoning they put on the top one. I saw some videos.
Our boy hot.
I can't right now. I'm too focused on this.
Luckily,
I'm kind of like not hungry, you know.
I know what you mean.
Like I'm at that point. I don't want to eat, but I have to.
Going back to the wings.
No, everybody.
Everyone there besides my
Basically, everybody was already there except her.
Yeah.
Dude, there's a lot. Everybody. And a lot of times it seemed like Dom started.
By her.
It's so stupid.
What'd you think?
We just laughed.
What'd you think of that?
I would give it a solid 7.5 out of 10. 8.
What do you give?
Let me call you back.
Sandwich, it's pretty good.
No, I Wingstop.
But I think wings,
I'll let you know.
bone in, top tier. Like, I give it an 8.5. Good ranch.
Man, I still gotta open mine up. I'm about to do that right now. Oh yeah. Fresh new thing.
Hey, you can never go wrong with their fries. These fries.
What, ranch in it?
They should start selling these fries for like a minute. Sometimes the one that's too big for the fries, you should answer it though. Is it FaceTime? Just answer it. Is that her second time calling you?
You want to answer that?
You gonna pick that up, Lily?
These fries are fucking smack.
Answer it, bro. You call me again.
I'll say it's like a 9 out of 10. For sure, like a 9. I still gotta try the sandwich though, you know what I mean? Let's see what's up with it.
I was there. You know why I'm not there. It's all good. No, I don't, but... Alright, I'll be there in a little bit. I know, and I didn't want to put it like that, but...
Well, it's hot.
But... No, that is never like that though. It's never like that.
They're the best
You're acting like this is normal for
fries
us.
sandwich
Like,
I've had.
nah, we've been
like,
cool.
I haven't had any
cool.
other flavors. Like I have lemon
I
pepper,
feel that, but that
Parmesan.
sounds like a big ass situation. Like,
But this right here,
I didn't even want that.
it's like definitely like
you,
11 out of
okay,
10.
maybe you might feel like you can be able to see me, but alright.
You good?
I know that.
Well, you got it right here, folks.
Alright, it's good.
Go get you some.
Last day.
Weird.
Did it sound cool now or?
No, she's still yelling. But and
Why is she?
And I was like, she was like, I don't care. It's not about me and you. It's about our mom. You better go say happy birthday to her. And I was like, I get that. I want to be there, but I feel like I just can't see you. She was like, you know, we just always bounce back. We run our ones and always bounce back. Brother, we never run once.
I think you just gotta fight her, bro.
No. I mean, bro, if you want to go back, we can go back, bro. I don't care about showing my face there, and I'll like say sorry to her, you know. But I'm getting kind of full.
Oh yeah, you don't eat wings right, brother.
but look at this is why I don't want
How
to.
should you eat a ring?
Look,
That's it's his wings. I'll wait till I get mine.
You ordered some?
Let me get a wing.
Yeah, I was about to give you some.
look,
baby.
Nick.
Did you order some too?
Nah, I'm about to take some to go though. Order one to go.
Look at this.
Brother, chicken drumstick.
Oh yeah.
Shows what you're doing and
Look
how
at
to
this.
do it.
That is hella good. I ain't gonna
This shit was
lie.
just drowning. Look at
This is
show
how to do
them.
the wing the right way.
This is what was my wings were in.
Oh yeah, brother. This is how you eat a wing. Look at this beautifulness.
Yeah, that's
First
a
off,
good one. You
this
got a
is
good
beautiful. All right, this is how you eat a wing the right way, bone in. You dip that motherfucker. Oh, what the fuck? You dip that motherfucker like that. Bite it. Bite that right off. Every piece of meat. Bite that. Bro, look at that.
How should it look after?
There's something more to clean up, but you know me, I'm done right now.
Get down on the camera. Look at that. That shit is steamy, boy.
That boy funny.
Damn.
You say it or steaming?
He said steamy. like a steamboat. No, I'm fine.
I feel like a real YouTuber out here.
Yeah, huh? Yo, what up, YouTube? Like and subscribe.
Let me rate it right now. I'll put some fries in here.
Oh yeah, that's you. You like it, huh?
Oh yeah. Shit, good.
This is your first 6 ounces?
Nah, but I know I'm never gonna have this again because it's my day.
Last
No,
day.
that's true.
It's the
This shit's
last
not
day
gonna
to
come
have
back.
the cheesy Herbie. The what's it called? No, the cheesy Herbie.
Cheesy, Herbie, spicy.
Spicy cheesy Herbie. Last day to get it. 420 a week. Too bad you ain't got it, but
Damn, that looked like a good ass bite. You just did right there. Nah, I'm full. But you just made that look hella good. The ranch.
sandwich is getting like a 9.5 out of 10. Let me see these.
No, yeah, the only one I like hot honey and mango habanero. Hot honey, nigga, amazing on the sandwich. Cause it's dry rub, you know.
Wings are getting. Ooh, like a 9.
Yeah. The wings top tier.
The wings are hella good, but I just don't like how greasy they are.
These motherfuckers are greasy. I'm done.
No,
No, you won't.
no, you wouldn't look dumb. You went to eat and clear your head.
Couldn't think you look stronger. Being a bigger man. Alright. Fries.
Shoot, that shit was just losing me alone for a minute. Out of nowhere, we're all just come sneeze.
The fries are top tier. The fries are top tier. I give it like a 15.
Video. You got to put the music over that.
Yeah.
Oh, everything's on in, brother. No, I'm Go get you a spicy cheesy Herbie, bro. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm done, bro. I'm full. I'm gonna throw up. I'm done. I kind of feel good.
That's how I feel.
Damn. I don't know where this came from. This is so fucking good.
That's good though.
Cherry vanilla Sprite.
It's a big ass sandwich.
Yeah, next time if I do this, I'm getting a sandwich. No, I'm full, bro. I'm done. I don't feel good. Alright, that's the shit on me? Yeah. I don't feel too good.
This is good.
Yeah.
I'm about to go orders.
I'm full. That's you.
That was hella funny. That hurts on hella long. It's like that, like,
I could go without the fries.
without the what?
Fries. They should have sauced them more.
Well, you gonna get messy if you order this. No way around it.